How to buy Anime token on MEXC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below. As your account, I enjoy all the benefits. Check them out in the description. So to be able to buy this token on MEXC, what you need to do, first of all, this token is available on COINEX. Now after that, click on markets here. Now, as you can see, you will be able to see this pair next to MEXC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in description. On description, you will be able to find the referral link on MEXC, create an account on it, and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT, click on this pair link next to MEXC here on CoinEx, and you will be able to redact to your account now. After that, click on buy option here, and you will be able to see these two options. The limit and the market is the same. After you select the limit here, set how much you want to buy or how much you want to buy of that token. So here we'll be able to see how much you will pay of that USDT in order to buy this token. After that, click on buy Anime, and you will be able to buy this token. So if you select the market option, drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have in your account in order to use it to buy this token. After that, select buy Anime, and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy Anime token on MEXC. Now if you find the video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.